I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby boo. She a happy baby boo.
Good morning po. So, I have a simple question lang po. So, may I know your name and what department are you po?
So, good morning everyone. I am Romel M. Cedillo and I am currently taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Okay, so in my opinion, gifted learners are not just about pertaining to smart students, but these individuals are the kind of individuals where they have a specific abilities in terms of in creativity, in leadership, and of course in academics. So ito yung mga individuals na kung saan they excel in a classroom settings, and I believe that many people says that ang mga gifted learners sila yung mga magsasucceed in the future by their own. I disagree with that idea because they're also learners wherein they also feel challenges, nakaka-feel or nakaka-encounter din sila ng mga challenges in their life, like yung boredom, yung high expectation nila or high expectation sa kanila ng mga tao, and yung pressure na pinuput nila sa sarili nila in order for them to succeed sa academics nila. And I believe with that idea, I believe that the teacher should not always focus on the intelligence of the gifted learners or yung mga learners na nag-excel, but also dun sa emotional and social development ng mga learners na wherein gifted or talented. Yun po.
Thank you po.
What's your concept about the gifted and talented learners? Mostly talaga pag nakakakita ko ng gifted na tao or yung may talented is na-attract talaga ako sa kanila. And then, second is, like parang naiinggit ako kasi bakit sila may talented kasi ako wala.
This is the question. What is your concept of gifted and talented learners?
I think the gifted or talented learners, they are special abilities that make them understand things faster, and they are also perform well in different areas, and also dahil sa kanilang abilities is mabilis silang ma-acknowledge or ma-notice ng mga teachers or kahit sinong tao.
Thank you so much.
For me, gifted students or gifted learners is high average students. Those learners are advanced thinker, and for talented learners is ito yung it runs from their blood. For instance, is the family of the student is a family of dancers, then he or she will acquire those talents because it runs from their blood.
Thank you po.
We say gifted, it is a natural ability or skill of a person. This type of skill or this type of person they learn easily and understand the concept as well. And then when we say talented, it is a special skill, and this it is a special skill, and this type of skill can maybe developed through training and practice. That's all.
Thank you po.
Perspective is kapag narinig ko yung mga
talented na estudyante or yung mga talented learners is hindi yun ibig sabihin is sino yung may mataas na grado, kundi sino yung creative, may curiosity at dedication para matuto sa kanilang pinag-aaralan. And for example, yung may isang estudyante na marunong maggawa ng stories or let's say creative stories at na may magandang flow at malalalim ang meaning at ito ay nakakabilib sa tuwing yun ay ating
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I know your name and your program?
So my name is Faiza Ampadi Pilandok and I am from Bachelor of Science and Social Work.
So this is the question. What is your concept of gifted and talented learners?
So my conception about that is way back is akala ko is same sila. But when I research is magkaiba sila. So the gifted is usually is parang kapag pinanganak sila is nandun na. So ang talented naman is na nadi-develop or nakukuha ng practice. So, as a social work, we do believe that every person has inherent worth and dignity. So, we believe na meron tayong katangian that usually is hindi natin nagagawa or na-emphasize kasi nga akala natin is ganun lang. But, as a social work is dapat is tinitingnan natin yun as nade-develop pa. Like the talent, kapag ang isang tao doon sa isang lugar is they have meron silang something na bagay doon but hindi nila nagagamit. So, dapat is nakikita nila yung strength nila, enable na para ma-develop yun at mas mapakinabangan. So, the talent is kapag yung mga street smart person. So, hindi sinasabi na matalino sila, but they have a experience about that issue or stuff, kaya mas nakakalamang sila. When the gifted is nandun na sa kanila, which is halimbawa is they are gifted, matalino sila sa math. But usually, kahit na gifted ka, pag hindi mo yun, pag hindi mo yung study or kapag hindi ka dun, pag hindi mo yun nakita as a strength, is mababaliwala yun. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For me, ang mga talented is dahil ginagawa nila yung best nila. Marami kasing estudyante ngayon ang nade-depress or sobrang stress sa mga schoolwork. Pero sila yung kinakaya nila, nalilimit nila yung mga things. Alay ko, magagawin na alaw ko na alay ko sa So, kindly state your name and what department are you from? I am graduated from the Department of Islamic Studies. So the
gifted students or genius given or granted students are so-called nikma. Kumbaga, they already have the skills, no? Without being asked. So, in Islam, no, they are ni'mah from Allah. They are entrusted to use their gifts for the greater good and also benefit others. Seeking knowledge or ilm is upon obligatory to each of us, and self-improvement is a lifelong journey, of course.
Assalamualaikum ma'am, and kindly state your name and what department are you from?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Hainabi Dagit from College of Teacher Education. My perspective about gifted learners or talented learners is that they're very lucky to having that kind of ability because not all of the students are parang nabibigyan ng ganung klaseng opportunity na matuto at mas madali silang makahanap ng certain skill in their lives. Thank you po.
I just had to let you know you're